Seems like goods ito. So in here, shit. Oh shit, why it's 54? Fucking hell. Maybe we can have a malloc here. Car. Before that, it wants to size of car times minus 1. I will say, honestly, this is bad. Finally, and in here, but okay, let's see. What if get octal? Okay, it works. So the problem is somewhere here. Mem set. Let's see. Octal. Binary after that. Damn it. What's happening is the more I do some changes, the more this software becomes more complicated. C is a great language, however the problem is that its heap allocation or dynamic allocation is currently problematic, and sometimes if you want to do some heap allocation, you need to do it on the top part, always free the memory. And if you do some static allocation, you need to reset it as well, because let's say if you try again to input a new value, the static values are still there, and yeah, it's very problematic, honestly. So we need to do something here. Is there could it be the zero order? Or maybe we can reset this one. Binary buffer 0, then size of car times 1000, and here was the binary before that is already working, but why is it that why it becomes wait, is it correct? I think it's correct already. Oh, it's correct. Oh shit, it's already correct. Stupid me. So it means we can have the octal here, car octal 1000, and so str cut, we will binary we need to add some dot, str cut binary before that, then we will pass the binary after that. I think this should be working, right? Then we will pass the octal here. Let's see. What? Ay, sorry. Oh shit. It doesn't work. STR cut. Ah, okay. We copy the binary to buffer. We added 0. Wait, let's see what's the octal here. Binary before that. Once ay wait, I need to do the git octal. Oh crap. So I guess we have here. By the way, we need to memset this one. Oh, we need to free this one here. So we don't have some problems with this craziness. Binary. After that, so in here, so car, maybe car octal before that. Get octal binary before that. Then after that, we're going to add some octal for that. Let's add some dots here. Car octal. After that, get octal. Before binary after that. Then str cut, we will add it in the octal. Before that, we will add the octal after that. And the display here should be we will just pass the fucking hell octal for the 0. Let's see. Oh, why does it work earlier? Works earlier. times 44y. Octal before that bytes. Okay, it's correct. Maybe str cut, we can just do it something like this. Before that, binary after that should be right. It's 44y, it's reflect. This is fucking annoying. What if we will copy this one here? Something like this. So we can copy the octal, something like that. For that, and then str cut. It works. It works. Okay, it works. So we can put it here. I think we need to clear the octals. Oh no, the decimal got affected. Fuck. This is fucking hell. Buwan. So the problem, so I think this is an unusual problem. The octal is like mutating the content of the memory associated to the binary input in decimal. I think we need to refactor the decimal, so as much as possible, like there's a separation of concern. So basically I was thinking that we will create a new heap allocation for the binary input for the decimal, and one heap allocation also for the binary input for the octal, so that the changes for the octal will not converge to the decimal. This is problematic. I'll say that. Anyways, I think we were able to implement this one, so we will refactor. We'll do some major refactoring for the binary decimal. I thought this is easy, man. I tried. I think this is more than 3 years right now. When I started this project, I've written this in Golang, and it's much easier to implement in Golang. I thought that this would be like an easy peasy easy problem to solve in C. I underestimated the problem in handling memory. So yeah, merge this one. Fuck. Shit, there's a lot of implementation I need to do. Anyway, I'll continue this one later. So basically we were able to implement the binary input, positive binary input with decimal, with dot. So this is the changes. I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of memory move. I have also an allocation. Yeah, I think I learned something that if you use heap allocation using malloc, and then once you initialize that one, you can start moving the memory of the sanitized binary before that into the binary before that, which is the one we declare on the heap allocation. Yeah, I think I'm getting used to working with memmove, but in my, I think, what is memset? You can see. So basically in memset, so I usually use memset if we are declaring a static character, a value. So anytime we initialize, we try again to input a new value, it should reset to here, like the 0, the null value, and same size for this one. So if you declare it right here, this will automatically says that the size of the memory of this one is 1000 characters. So let's say, how much is that? if let's say per car is 4 bytes and we have 1000 characters, I think that would be 4000 bytes, right? So 4000. Okay, how many characters is a 4000 bytes? 32-bit, so I think that's a lot. So 32-bit meaning 32,000 bits, so that would be the number of digits. Yep. Oh, I see. I think 1000 is overkill, but anyways, so what I'm saying in here is that every time we initialize, we try again a new input, we will reset this binary buffer to a null with 1000 character size. So after we reset that one, we will move the memory. I think moving the memory. What is memmove? Copies count bytes. Okay, copy count bytes. I'm not really sure if I use this properly, but here I'm confident on this one, on the mem set. Here malloc, this is fine. Yeah, I think I'm going to refactor the binary to decimal function because it causes conflicts in when the computation is moving into octal. Yeah, I think this is for now. We'll continue this one later. Bye bye.